Mickey Mouse.
Me too. So you have to sit here.
Mom, I like a Mickey Mouse.
You like Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
All right, we'll put it back on after our project, okay? Ooh. So we're gonna do S.
Mom, that S.
Letter S. Good job.
Mom,
S.
that S.
2 letter S's?
Mom, that S.
There's 2. Let's count. 1. Oh, there is 3. You're so right. 1, 2,
3.
3. High five. Good job. So do you want to do some painting? A hand project?
Mom, try that one.
Yes. That sounds like a good idea. This is the color. What color is this?
Green.
No. This is the color.
Orange.
Orange? No, it's actually the color yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah, yellow. Good job. Okay, which hand do you want to use?
Do it.
Yeah, what hand do you want to use? We got to paint. That one? Okay, ready? Whoa. Guess what we're going to make? So S is for sun. So we are going to make a sun with your hand.
Mom, I like it, Mama.
You like it?
Yeah.
Me too. It's a really cool yellow color, huh? Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Where do you want to go?
Anyway,
Oh no, here, we're gonna do the sun like right here. Can you go like this? Good job. Okay, now do it again. Right here.
right there.
Yeah. Good job. And then, that's okay. You got some on your elbow. See? All good. And then wait, let's get some more paint on you.
Okay.
See how we're starting to make a sun?
Yeah.
Yeah, because S is for sun. Good job. Let's get your hand all painted. Good job. Okay, now I want you to do another one right here. Yep, perfect. Right there. Slap it down. Oh, the whole thing, silly. Okay, now lift it up. Good job. Okay, last one right here. Yep, go down right there. Perfect. Right? Oh, yeah, watch your arm, huh? Lift it up. Look, you made a sun. You like it?
Yeah.
We made a sun because S is for sun. Okay, we're going to let this one dry over here. Let's get your hand all wet. Is that cool? Okay, you know what S is also for? S is for strawberry. Do you want to make a strawberry?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do we know what color strawberries are?
No.
No? Do you want to know what color strawberries are?
No.
No. Well, I'm going to tell you anyway. Strawberries are the color red.
Red.
So we are going to make red
Okay.
strawberries
Strawberry.
with your hand.
Yeah.
Whoa. All right, it's all dry. Okay, you ready? S is for strawberry.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Do you see the letter S?
The S.
Yes. Do you see another letter S? Yes. Do you see another one? How many S's are there?
3 S.
3 S's.
No, 2 S.
Oh, there's 2.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, which hand do you want to do this time?
And try that one.
Okay, ready? Which hand?
That one.
This one? Okay. Ooh, this is the color.
Strawberry.
Yeah, it's a strawberry color. It's the color red.
Color
Yeah, because strawberries are the color. What color? Red.
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 Mine yellow.
Oh, I got yellow in my hand, don't I?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Now, where do you want to put a strawberry? Okay, go ahead and slap your hand right. Good, 1, 2, 3, lift up. Yay! Okay, where do you want to do one more?
Mine
Do you want more on it?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to do another strawberry? So then once it dries, you know what we're going to add to our strawberry? we'll add green leaves on top of the strawberry. Like it came from when we picked it from the ground.
Yeah.
Remember when we went to the farm and we picked strawberries? Strawberries come from the ground. How cool is that? Okay, where do you want to put your other strawberry? You want to put it right there or right there? Oh, put it over down here somewhere. Okay. Whoa, there's a strawberry on the word
Yeah.
strawberry. Do you want to do one more right here?
E.
Yeah? Okay, go for it. You want to put your hand right there? Whoa! And lift up. S is for strawberry. So,
Now for strawberry.
yeah, so we did two of them. S is for sun and S is for strawberry. This is you take, these are already paints, and you can put some water,
Yeah.
whoa, in a cool painted water brush, and then go ahead and take it. What color do you want to do? Some blue. So you're going to get some blue like this. Okay, and then come down here, and you can color in. This is a pterodactyl. It's a dinosaur. Is that cool or what? Yeah? So this is a great lesson for toddlers. This is awesome to do fine motor skills. So he's working with his writing hand. We worked with colors.
Yeah.
We worked with counting, letter recognition, and all in all, no matter what, as long as they're having fun, you can go as long as you want, as short as you want. He was about ready to go, but we have another fun thing that's interested him. So we'll probably do this for a little bit longer and then call it a day. So I hope you enjoyed this little mini activity / lesson. This is great for, again, going into preschool. And yeah, if you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.